Shut up!
Why not?
Why? Tell me why.
Because it's wasting my time. I don't have.
No.
Yeah, it's on Wednesday night.
I think you should enjoy it.
I'm not enjoying it at all. It's so
Why?
boring.
Oh,
I don't like being yelled at a lot, and
yeah, I want
it
you to
sucks there. Like,
No?
yeah, it's a waste of
I
time.
bet you like it
No, I don't like it.
disciplined.
I don't like it. No, I don't want to go.